This Google Classroom is all about clocks, and today we're going to be matching our analog clock to a digital clock. So the blue clock at the top with all of the numbers that go around in a circle is called an analog clock. The three choices below in the yellow, red, and green clocks are called digital clocks. What you're going to do is you're going to look at your analog clock and you're going to decide what time that shows. Then you need to move your purple alarm clock over top of the digital clock that matches that time. So I'm looking at this clock and I see that the hour hand is pointing at the 3, and here's a little hint for you, the hour hand is blue. So if it's pointing at the 3, I know that this clock says 3 o'clock. So I'm going to look down at my yellow, red, and green digital clocks, and I'm going to find the one that says 3 o'clock. I'm going to take my alarm clock and drag it right over top of the 3 o'clock. There are 10 of those for you to practice, and when you get to the next section, watch the next video.